Influencers have mastered the art of getting people to share their posts, and most of the time, it starts with simple but intentional calls to action. You'll see them say things like, "Share this with someone who needs to hear it," or "Tag a friend who relates." These small prompts work because they give viewers a reason to interact instead of scrolling past. The more people share, the longer the post circulates and the more the algorithm pushes it into new feeds. There's also the subtle version of this tactic. It mixes emotion or humor with an easy share trigger. People love forwarding stuff that gets a reaction in their group chats, so these posts spread naturally. When content is getting shared in DMs, Instagram takes it as a signal of strong engagement, which helps boost its reach even further. Then you have collaborations, which multiply shares instantly. When two influencers co-create something, they bring both audiences into the mix. That alone doubles visibility, but it works best when the collab feels entertaining and natural. People don't share posts just because two names are tagged. They share them because the content itself hits the mark. And finally, there's passive sharing. This is when a post spreads without any call to action at all. Influencers who excel at this focus heavily on emotion, timing, relatability, and tone. A funny video, a sharp quote, or a quick story that hits the right nerve can travel on its own. When followers share something unprompted, it carries more weight because it feels authentic. That authenticity is what pushes content into true virality, which is why influencers put just as much effort into the feeling of a post as the visuals themselves. That's it. These are some of the most reliable ways influencers get their followers to share content. If you picked up something useful today, tap like and share this video with a friend who might appreciate it. And let us know in the comments if you've tried any methods that worked well for you in the past.